Jessica Frost-Ballas here with a new video for honeybee stamps. Today I'm excited to show you how to stretch your supplies by using one dry embossed panel to create 2 cheery cards, so let's get started. First I stamped the adorable cat duo from Meowin' Forever onto white cardstock using Copic-friendly black ink. Then I colored them with Copic markers using my 2 cats Maverick and Havoc as inspiration. Maverick is solid black, but using black markers would just turn him into a flat blob. So instead, I used 3 shades of toner gray to give him a rich dark fur look while keeping the stamp details visible. For Havoc, I used the same gray tones to create a cute tuxedo cat. Once the coloring is done, I die cut the images using the coordinating dies. Next, I take an A2 panel of white cardstock and position a circle die near the bottom left corner. After running it through my die cutting machine, I remove the die and spritz both the cut panel and the circle with water. I then place both pieces into the paw print 3D embossing folder, making sure the circle lines up in the cutout area. Running it through the machine creates that fun dimensional paw print texture. It's best to die cut the circle before embossing, otherwise you risk flattening the 3D texture during the die cutting step. I stamp a sentiment from Meowin' Forever twice and die cut them using the coordinating sentiment die. Now I have 2 embossed pieces to build my cards. For the first card, I adhere the larger panel to a white card base. Then I use foam tape to pop up the cats and sentiment inside the circular window. For the second card, I position the embossed circle in the lower left corner to mirror the first card. Then I add the remaining cats and sentiment to complete it. Aside from the coloring, these cards come together really quickly. The embossed texture and detailed stamps add enough interest that you could even skip the coloring and finish both cards in under 5 minutes. And that's it! You'll find all the product details in the YouTube description below. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to the Honeybee Stamps channel for even more crafty inspiration. Thanks so much for watching, have an amazing day, and happy crafting! Bye!